Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to disable the option to show your photo in the Viber app on your phone. This is useful if you want to maintain your privacy and control who can see your profile picture. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu, tap on Settings to access your app's configuration options. After that, tap on Privacy to access your privacy controls. After that, find the option that says Show Your Photo. You will see a toggle switch next to it. Simply turn off this switch to disable your profile photo from being visible to other users. Once it is turned off, your photo will no longer be displayed. Finally, exit the Settings menu. Your changes are saved automatically, and your privacy is now protected. You can always come back to these settings if you decide to show your photo again in the future. Thanks for watching.